it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. There, guys, today with Shayna. Yes, that's our boss with the roof. The official music video. Shayna dropped a couple of songs, so I decided I'm going to react to one of them because we're not going to wait until mix up our war and them think they react to them bad artists here. Because them artists here are bad bumbuckler artists. Them forget them highlight too. What I say? Shayna, pick up yourself, my G. I can jump in the one here and hear what SOR boss officer in a roof. Let's go. Lyricist. I'm quite surprised when Vybz Kartel name out him 5 lyricists. Shayna wasn't in that 5. I'm quite surprised. I've got to say I'm quite surprised. But that's his list now. Now fight it. Let's go.
Jada, fraternity.
Oh, let me say, I skill man. I don't think I skill man.
Fraternity. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, I'm freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice.
This is a flow from. Wait, man, I tell you. This is a flow from I'm Sorry, Miss Jackson by 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I swear it is. Sound the same.
I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, I'm freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice.
This is a flow from there. I swear. Is it just me? Is it just me? The man said I apologize for being nice. Hurt him once, I can't do it twice. Just know that pussy.
Jada, fraternity.
If I'm wrong about the flow, let me know in the comment section. I which song, but me hear it already still. I apologize for being nice.
Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, I'm freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, I'm freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Me day up on the roof. Big fat split for me, you looking at moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose. Me see friend I switch up on me, but it's cool. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt and that, even a sparks in the room. Maga dog no more bone, no day, Sophia Joe.
Maga dog, no more bone, no day, Sophia Joe. So go on somewhere else with your fuckery. Yo! Straight up bad like a, yo, the one does different, dog. Never meant to let your daughter cry. See, all right, see, me get it now. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Let me say, never meant to let your daughter cry. I apologize. That's where it's come from. That's where me get it from. Say no, if I like me, I tell God, boss me, that's where it come from. Because myself do it bad. He bad. You get it? Me no say this somewhere, man. I apologize for being nice. Same thing.
Jada, fraternity. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, I'm freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, I'm freezing ice.
Going right now, my G.
Big fat split for me, you're looking at moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose. Me see friend I switch up on me, but it's cool. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt and dark, even a sparks in the room. Maga dog no more bone, no day, so for your Joe.
Corrupt and dark, even sparks not in the room. Remember, say him done tell about I'm alone in the dark room, you know. So I'm tell you, say him corrupt and sparks same way. Him corrupt and dark same way, not even one sparks in the room, so the room still dark for him. Me alone in the dark room. Yo, the boss clever, yo. Fuck.
All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt and dark, even a sparks in the room. Maga dog no more bone, no day, so for your Joe. I meet them once to drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place, I make it move. Drink my pain.
I meet them once to drop another roof. I meet them once to drop another roof. Drop top roof, convertible car. I meet them once to drop. It's not the roof. Them no want to see me a drive no drop top. You get it? Bumbleclad.
I meet them once to drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place, I make it move. Drink my
Me just hear a ad lib say sun. Like him say roof, sun roof.
I meet them once to drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place, I make it move. Drink the pain and strengthen up, and when the fridge full of juice, I fist strap up with the shoes, lace it up and make it yours.
Bumbleclad. Hey, drinking pain all when the fridge full of juice. Still a drinking pain.
I meet them once to drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place, I make it move. Drink my pain and strengthen up, and when the fridge full of juice, I fist strap up with the shoes, lace it up and make it yours. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Heart get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Heart get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Can't broke me heart again, coming a call that pain. That when me use the soft, that change every day.
Can't broke me heart again. You done it once when me used to call that pain. Now that not painful to me, because I expect it. Can't broke me heart twice. Me toughen up.
Me heart again, coming a call that pain. That when me use the soft, that change every day. Me not them picture on a wall, now pain. Wicked people like we no God now save. Them inside I hurt me change. A different me now.
Different.
Me know.
I apologize for being nice.
Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Me day up on the roof. Big fat split for me, you're looking at the moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose. Me see friend switch up on me, but it's cold. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no move. Corrupt and dark, even a sparks in the room. Maga dog no more bone, no day, so for your Joe. I meet them once to drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place, I make it move. Drink my pain and strengthen up, and when the fridge full of juice, I fist strap up with the shoes, lace it up and make it yours. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Heart get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Heart get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice.
Bad bumbleclad artist this.
I should gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice.
Jaydan Record, big up yourself. Yeah, fraternity.
Feeling.
Yo, Ashena, we are talking about in a dog. Ashena, we are talking about. Let me quickly see if I can find the Outcast melody when we are talking with Jack's amount of memory, because I not take away nothing from Shano track still. Shano track bad, you see me? Miss Jackson. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh. Alright, Tita.
Here goes out to all. Never meant to.
Listen.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
I apologize. See, at the same look of flow, same look of thing I go on this, but yeah, I don't know what I mean. You know what I mean. But yeah, because myself, Shana, because myself, J, Roof, Shana with the Roof. Guys, go check out that one, man. Yeah, man, hurt me once, it can't hurt me twice, you know, man. Remember, say thing change, you know, in the dog. Oh, I'm too, no. Yeah, man. Shane a great artist, man. Great artist. You see me? Bad DJ. So, can't wait until Warrior go on or some lyrical feud for highlight them, man, dog. Them, man, you need them highlight, brother. Like, every song we drop have meaning behind it, bro. So, big up yourself. Another big song. Another big song. Yeah. Another big song. But, yeah, big up on yourself. Still. So, I'm going to still let me know in the comment section what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.